So guys, today we're here at SM City Cebu to witness the launching of this brand new Toyota Tamaraw. No? We all know that this is a very reliable brand, and this is gonna be very interesting for those of us na mahilig talaga sa negosyo, naghahanap ng pangharabas. So I can't wait to get this started, guys. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go. So your all new Toyota Tamaraw comes in with so many different available options, guys. You're gonna choose according to your needs or your preferences. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you some of the display units that they have here, and then later on we're gonna walk through some of the available units. So those are the display units that we have available right here today, no, just for the display. Nakapili na ba kayo, guys? Let me know in the comments which one would you prefer. So right now, let's do a quick walk around about the interior of this manual variant right here. Alright, so mostly plastic, no, as you expect for a business vehicle. But what I love is the design, guys. I love the effort that Toyota gave into this very reliable utilitarian vehicles. See the details. Okay, so for your left side, guys, you only have very basic manual roll-up windows. Okay, and then you have some handle here with some space. You don't have any bottle holders or any pockets. Okay, so for your seats, guys, I like the material used here. It's very comfortable. Then you can see the steering wheels, it's urethane, right? Okay, and then above, guys, you have the cream headliner, but you have cabin lights. Okay, very nice. And then for your sun visor, you only have one for the driver's side. Okay, you don't have any mirrors. Okay, manual day and night rear view mirrors. Okay, again for the dashboard, nice looking design. Okay, I love the circular aircon vents. Then you have your Toyota lettering by the passenger side, and you have an open, exposed glove compartment. Okay, and then you have regular speakers lang, guys, for the manual variant. And then you have two cup holders, and of course your gear selector or gear shifter for your 5-speed manual transmission. So basically, you're gonna be you don't have the infotainment screen. As you can see right here, your 3 pedals. Alright, this will be very fun to drive. So again, you don't have an infotainment screen for this specific variant. And for the others as well, I'm just going to show you some of the other manual variants. You're basically gonna have the same features. And then for this one right here, guys, that I'm gonna show you, this version is actually very nice. This is the one that you're gonna go for if you want to carry with you a lot of passengers. Okay, as you can see, it has a step board, alright, and then very large space inside. Yan, very classic Filipino setup. Yan, very good for outings, going to the beach resorts. Yan, very very awesome. So this is a great looking car, especially dun sa harap, yung if gusto mo yung design language ni Toyota.
sobrang angas. Then let me just show you again. As you can see, very simple, very basic, but very Filipino, right? The Toyota branding, as you can see, just you don't have the infotainment screen, but this really works, right? Okay, so now let's go ahead to the version that I will be buying, the drop side version, which I will really choose if ever I'm gonna buy today a pickup truck. That's something that I might need someday. So I love the combination of the awesome looks, alright, very maangas, and of course utilitarian, a very reliable workhorse, okay, very capable of your needs. Okay, as you can see right here, this is the color that is really nice. And then please confirm with your dealership with rims as well, because you can just, you know, the purpose of these budget utilitarian vehicles is so that you could customize it. So as you can see, it looks great, right? Being able to carry like your motorcycle or whatever you're gonna be using for your leisure activities. You can drop the sides as the name suggests, so it's very easy for you to load up. Napadaling ikarga ng mga kailangan nating ikarga. So for your engine, guys, you have your 2.4 liter diesel engine, but you also have an option for the gasoline one, just a 2.0 gasoline variant. So let me know in the comments which one you would buy, a gasoline ba or a diesel. But basically both are very great options. I know that so many of us also like the gasoline because of its quietness, diba? Even ako as a driver, so far I'm also loving the feeling of the gasoline, yung pagkaswabe niya. So there you go, guys. Now let's go inside this particular variant. This is the automatic variant of the Toyota Tamaraw. As you can see, there are orange accents. Obviously this is the much higher variant, so thankfully it looks a lot nicer as well. It's giving off that Ranger Raptor vibe, if I may say. So the major difference with this one, guys, aside from the ones that we covered kanina with a manual variant, of course, the automatic transmission. Yan, you can see the automatic gear selector, no, gated type, and then much better looking than yung kanyang cup holders. You have better space, so medyo mas may pagka lifestyle feeling ito. So as you can see as well, you have more controls right here. You have power windows for both sides, and then power adjustable rin yung kanyang side mirrors. And what I like as well about this one is you have the infotainment screen. And guess what, guys? This is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable. So this variant really is very suited for those who want the reliable workhorse, and then combined with somehow the lifestyle feeling. Okay, as you can see right here, there's the leather, I mean not leather armrest, but you have a center console, not padded, but that's, who wouldn't want that, right? So this variant is really for those who want to pay a little bit more just to have a little bit extra comfort. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. Consider to like, share, and subscribe if this video has helped you. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that when we seek God first, all of the things that we need will be added unto us, and that's when we truly win in life. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao.